TeamLeip, getting hungry, ready for the Mumu. Pulling the lava rocks out. Okay, the Mumu has got the burning embers over to the side. We have bigger leaves. It's all very well oiled machine. On top. They've all had like the
small Mumu, so we use this.
This is a small Mumu?
Yeah, we use the leaf. Small? The biggest you can use this one. This leaf. The biggest one.
Now come all the ferns. Right on top of the big leaves, we add the ferns. There's a lot of discussion about exactly how they need to go down. We got the main guy, but then we also have some assistance from the crew. And now here comes the cabbage. Lots of cabbage, oh yeah. And the hot rocks are going in already. Okay, in with the cabbage. But it looks like the rocks are going on the perimeter. A nice treatment. Place them in hard, but you blow them off, get the ashes off. Even though they're hot.
Okay, with a sweet potato and chicken. With taro.
Taro, sweet potato, cabbage. Okay, finally another layer of leaves up on top. And we've already put the hot rocks on top of the chicken with more cabbage on top of that. Now we got the leaves coming in. And then we want to fold them over. Okay, getting in stuff on the side, making sure everything's good. And finally, a little bit of dirt on top, trying to seal it all off.
All girls, one boy. Crazy from girls.
Okay, when all the soil is on, a little bit of tamping down with the feet, just to make sure everything's sealed up. Keep the heat in. And that will be a Mumu.
She only has 3 legs.
A Mumu indeed. Okay, the dirt has been removed. We're peeling off the layers here. Careful to keep the dirt away. Right? And now... Oh, now we need assistance. Now we've reached down to the goodies. Sweet potatoes off to the side. Chicken's off to the other side. Taro is coming out from the bottom. Oh yeah, there's a whole chicken right there. Very hot. Okay, let the Mumu begin.